Where was Anne going? Share your answer in the comments below.
Good morning. Excuse me, does this bus go to City Mall?
Yes, it does.
How much is the fare?
It's $2. Just tap your card here.
Okay, thank you. Is there an empty seat?
There's one near the window.
Thank you. Excuse me, can you let me know when we get to City Mall?
Of course, I will. The next stop is City Mall.
Thank you so much. Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.